Hello guys, namaste, Parev, DAP, Sanbonani. Anyway, we have a laptop. One of my clients gave me this laptop free of charge, but I can see someone tried to fix it before. Because there's flaxy all over this board, so I'm not sure whether I'll be able to fix this or not. So they gave it to me like this in pieces. There we go. Gave me the entire thing. Check the heatsink. The heatsink is badly damaged. Gave me the entire thing. So I'm not sure whether I'll be able to fix this or not. I need a DC in jack. Where is it? 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 All right, there is a back cover, screen lid, the keyboard, the keyboard part. Okay, we have the keyboard, we have the battery, this, the heatsink, that, and the keyboard part. So I'm not sure if I can fix this or not. The DC in jack is missing. Let's see. Anyway, what I can see so far, there's flaxy all over this board. Board is wet. Hope you can see. There's flaxy. There's flaxy all over this board. That's what I can see so far. Okay, at least we can see. First step. Now let's do the second step. Let's try to turn on this machine. Let me remove the CMOS battery. Let's short the CMOS battery cord. Boo, they even bent the CMOS battery connector. What way? Hey, I don't understand this, guys. Someone was working on this, messed this board up badly. All right, near the DC in jack. Let me show you. In fact, here on the DC in jack connector, these wires here are touching. Not sure whether they're supposed to be touching or not, but to be on the safe side, let's just separate them. I don't want any stories. All right, now what I want to do, I want to check the first and the second MOSFET. I can see this is the current center, and obvious this is the first MOSFET, this one right here, and then here's the current sense. So let's check for a short to ground. All right, there. Do we have a short? Oh, there is no short. Let's see. One probe. There is no short. Okay, there's no short there. Since there's no short there, let's inject the 19 volts. I want to see. Let's inject the 19 volts. All right. Okay, I've injected the 19 volts. I want to see whether the machine will turn on or not. All right. Okay, let's make sure that we do have the 19 volts. I want to check the 19 volts on the board. The thing is, the machine is not taking any power on the DC on the DC bench power supply. No 3.3, no 5 volts. No ways, there is no 19 volts. Can't find any 19 volts. I don't understand this. Let's see. Do I have the schematic for this board? I'm a little bit confused. They're not exactly the same, but I want to check something. Schematics are not exactly the same. PQ802. Let me check. Okay, they have exactly the same schematic. I can see the 19 volts going all over the board. All right, guys. That was the correct power where I injected the 19 volts. I'm also confused to why it's not turning on. Why it's not taking any power? Very confused. Did I connected this proper? Correct, but no power. Or maybe my military is playing games with me. Okay, there is 19 volts. What about here? Now I'm confused. Okay, let me just disconnect this wire from the current sensor and inject the 19 volts from the other side. I wanna say something. Let's go back to the schematic. Let's look for PL1. All right, so now from the PL1, let's inject the 19 volts. Let's go back. Let's see if we do receive power from the other MOSFET. We should have 20 volts. We should have 20 volts. We do have 20 volts. Check the current sensor. We do have 20 volts. And now why the 20 volts is not spreading? Let's go back. I want to check something. Let's go back on the schematic. Oh wait, let's check it here. All right, guys, let me check. Wait, it's something I don't understand. ET903. So you search ET903. All right, guys. Sorry, man. I just changed the charging chip. This was driving me crazy. Let me show you. It's now working 100%. I've installed the RAM. Just hold on. You will see the display. Okay, so I removed the charging chip because remember I was looking for the 19 volts all over the board, but I couldn't find the 19 volts. It was there, but at some point not all over the board, meaning the charging chip was also responsible for the 19 volts. And if you can check this power SRC, I noticed that the charger chip was the one that created that sense the power SRC. Then the power SRC goes all over the circuit board. So this is how the entire thing was. I was using the charger, the adapter, and then it sent the signal here, power SRC, and then it goes all over the board. And I was missing this in most of my components. You will have a display just now. I don't know why now it's taking too long. Okay, there we go. Anyway, guys, before I go, bye-bye and take care. I will see you next time. Yes, I love you so much.